Here I have VIVO Y91 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down and find here and select the language and input. Here let's tap on the language at the top of the list. And this is the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. So for example, in my case, let me switch English into the Spanish into the Espanol. Now let's go back, and as you can see now the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, to the English one, let's choose Ajustes, choose here Idioma y Entrada, tap Idioma again, and let's select here English. Right here. So now you can use your device in an English version. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.